Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review. Is it a review? I don't know what it is, but I just washed my hair, deep conditioned it, and now I'm in the detangling process. And honestly, I don't even know what my hair texture is. I think I have a 4B hair texture because, like, I'm gonna zoom in, but if you look closely at my hair, I have like some curls, you know, like I have curls. Look at that. So I'm trying to figure out. I think it's a mixture. I'm not sure. And up here too, I have curls right here. Yeah, I don't know what my hair type is, because I remember doing a TikTok video and I have yet to edit that video. It's actually still on this camera waiting to be edited, but I had did a TikTok video of me like putting Jerry curl activator on my hair, like the gel, not the actual Jerry curl, but the gel on my hair to see how it would do. And then I had posted that on TikTok because I had made a quick video for TikTok. I posted out on TikTok and then people was going off on me saying, you don't have 4C hair, that's not 4C hair, you have type 4 hair, but that's not 4C. And like last time I checked, this looks pretty 4C to me. Like, I don't know, but people was going off me. I had to tell them. I was like, look, do you see it? Do you see the material? But yeah, if you're new to my channel, so subscribe if you're not new. Thank you for coming back. I don't know if I said that already. Basically, what we're about to do is blow dry our hair. Wow, my hair is so pretty. I can do a leave out. I mean, it dries and curl. Maybe my hair is 4B. Wow, it's so cute. Okay, let me stop. Anyways, I sprayed some mane and tail because I'm like filming 2 videos at once. Okay, but I sprayed some mane and tail on my hair to detangle it, all that good stuff. So it's somewhat detangled. Like, this is the detangle it's gonna get. So it is actually 12 o'clock in the morning and I had a late start, so that's what I get for procrastinating. Okay, we're gonna be using this device that I got from Target. I got a $10 gift card, so if it don't really work like that, then it don't really matter because it was $10 off of it and I lost the receipt. Okay, so this is the I don't know why it looks blue in the camera, but it's actually purple. Okay, so this is the Conair oh, it's on the side. This is the Conair Infiniti Pro, and yeah, when I'm like doing my natural hair, I find it so draining, like blow dry my hair with the comb, like holding the blow dryer and then like straightening it. So I was like, why not just buy a blow drying brush to where the hot air comes out and it straightens my hair for me. So that's what I did, and we're about to see if this works on type 4 hair. Okay, so it gets hot, but we're going to see how well this works on this. Okay, so I'm just going to go right in. My hair is kind of thick. I don't want to pull my hair out. Okay, we're just going to turn it on. do y'all see this? Like, I don't think y'all are seeing this. Like, do you see how it's I haven't detangled this obviously, but look, my face is so oily, so disregard that, but it works. So I'm gonna just finish up and we're gonna see the final result. Before I finish, I don't think I showed you, but this is how it looks up close. It like has like these little black, wait, let me show you from the side for the focus. It has like a lot of different rows of so this is what it's looking like. Look how shiny. Like, it's not drying. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but wow. I didn't think this was going to work on my hair. Let me get the back and okay, so I got most of it did on one side, and look how straight my hair is. And y'all, usually when I blow dry my hair out, the ends are never this straight. Like, it's always like thick at the ends, but it's like even, and my hair is so shiny. Do you see that shine? I didn't even put nothing. Only thing I put on there was this detangler, but I know this ain't make my hair shine. Probably the roots are a little thick, but wow. Wow, speechless. So I'm about to do the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna be right back when I'm finished. I am about to do the rest of my hair.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours.
Sexy.
Okay, so I am done right now straightening my hair, or blow drying it. Obviously I look crazy right now because my hair is looking wild, but I could comb through my hair easily. It's just thick. So this is how good it did. So yeah, this blow dryer gets the job done. It works very well on my type hair. I'm pretty sure if you had like a looser texture hair, then it would be flatter. But as you saw me trying to struggle with my roots are still dry. I mean, they're still wet, so that's why it was kind of hard to get those flat. Like up here is still pretty wet. So yeah, I'm about to end this video. I hope you enjoyed this Conair Infinite Pro blow dryer brush. I think that's what you call a blow dryer brush. I think this was like $40 or $30. I want to say it was $30, $29.99. And then of course I had a $10 off gift card because I spent more than $30. So when you spend more than $30, they had a promotion where you get like a $10 gift card, and I got a $10 gift card. And yeah, so technically this was $10 off. But yeah, I really like this. It took a short amount of time for my hair to blow dry out. If I was doing it by hand, it would have took so much longer. So I'm very grateful that I bought this. I thought it wasn't going to work on my hair because I thought my hair was going to be too thick for it, but it wasn't too thick, and I am so happy. And yeah, I look so sleepy. It is like 1 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm going to put my hair up. I'm going to go to sleep. And please support my candle business. I make candles, and I have an Etsy shop, and I have my website, which I will be putting across the screen. And it will be in the link in the bio. It will be in the bio. The link will be in the bio. And yeah, I have a lot of fall and autumn scents out right now. And I will be getting some Christmas, well, I will be making, because I make my candles, I'll be making some Christmas scents soon, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more hair videos. And yeah, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if you won't get one of these or not. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.
It's on you, but